So I'm going to demonstrate a couple things with the Google Calendar and being able to link that to your Google Meet. If I were to go into my 9 cube here, the waffle is what many people call it, I can choose my calendar. When I use the Google Calendar, I can actually link that to my Google Meet. So if I want to set up a meeting time with my red group, I can create a Google Meet with them for my red 1 group. Maybe I want to say reading red 1. And this is saying 12:30, but I maybe want to make it more specific of 1 o'clock, or I can change it and type in there 1:10. Automatically, it's going to give me a default of 1 hour. So if I only want it to be a 20-minute meeting, I can just then change it to 1:30. But I want to make sure I'm clicking here if I want it to be linked to a Google Meet is right here. It says add Google Meet video conferencing. So I'm going to choose the join with Google Meet if I were to join it right now, but this is where it's giving me the link, the UDAYBJT. This is helpful for you. The students are not going to have this linked to theirs, but this will give you the meeting code so that you can actually make sure that that is set up for you each and every time. I'm going to save it. Now, I also want to show you that you can then make sure that you bookmark this tab so that you have it accessible to yourself each and every day. So I could join with Google Meet. This is all something that you can set up prior to meeting with your students at any point in time. So this is the Google Meet that's being set up for your group. You're going to join now. And then what I'd like to do is be able to bookmark this. So I'm going to click on the star. The star is going to then show me that I'm going to bookmark this, and I'm going to name it, instead of the Meet code, I'm going to name it my red reading red 1. Where am I going to put it? I'm actually going to create a new folder. Choose another folder. My new folder, I'm going to then name it, I'm going to move this out. Sorry. Bookmark bar. So I'm going to close up these tabs. But underneath bookmark bar, that's where I'm going to add the new folder. And I'm going to say reading groups. And then I'm going to save that within my reading groups. So when I click on my reading groups, that's right here on my bookmark bar, right up here at the top. My reading red 1 group is right here. So then I can click to it immediately. And then I can continue to do that. If you have created a different site that you want to make sure that you're adding it to. So if I go into my Google Meet, I'm going to continue so that it self-generates a code for me. Join now. And then again, I can do the same thing up here. I can click the star. I want to name this my reading red 2 group. Where am I going to save it? I'm going to save it into my reading groups. And then click done. So again, right here on my bookmark bar, right here at the top of my screen, I have reading groups, red 1, red 2, and I can continue to generate those tabs and those groups. And then when I'm in the group, just as a reminder, then I can actually click on the join information so that I can show my students where to join. And that should allow me to save them as a bookmark on my screen. Thank you.